Hello everyone, Darren Gabbard here with 345 Auction. How are you? We have a coin auction going on right now that is going to end on the 19th of January, which is a Sunday at 7 p.m. It will feature coins for just about every level of collector. This is going to be a coin that a serious collector will want to have in their collection if they don't already. It is an 1878 Morgan silver dollar, struck in Philadelphia at the beginning of March. And I know that it was struck at the beginning of March because this is an 8 tail feather design. It was only struck for 2 weeks in March, and then they changed the design for whatever reason. They changed the design to a 7 tail feather design, and they actually restruck some of the 8 tail feather coins into 7 tail feather designs. So there aren't that many of these 8 tail feather coins out there. It's in actually pretty decent condition considering its age. And I will put a link to this particular coin in the video description below. You can get very detailed pictures there. You can see those. And if you would like to register to bid for this particular coin, you can do so there as well. If you have never bid with 345 Auction before, you will need to register. Once you are registered, you're good to go with us for any future auction. And we have coin auctions usually about once every 3 months or so. And as a matter of fact, we will have another coin auction from this very same collection. We just had so many of these coins, we decided to go with the silver dollars, and then we've got other coins coming up in a future auction. So all of that is kind of a preview, if you will. But this coin will be right at the front of the auction. You'll see it right off the top. And if you would like to bid on this particular coin, this is going to be a well-attended auction. So if you would like to add this coin to your collection, good luck.